Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomattox Regional Library System, and today I'm going to show you two different ways to paint with bubble wrap. Our first method is for our younger children or our children with sensory issues. Start by pouring paint onto your paper or your canvas, and you don't want to use a ton, just a little bit will do, and you want to leave lots of space in between your strips of paint. I chose to do a rainbow, but you can do any pattern you like. Next, loosely place your bubble wrap on top of it and then let your children go wild. They can slap it, they can smush it, they can mash on it. Just make sure to remove your bubble wrap before it dries. Now I'm going to show you how to do a paint along with me. And we're going to start off by painting our entire canvas black. If you have black paper, you could use that as well. But if you're using canvas, make sure to do nice long brush strokes. And then go along your edges as well, just to make it have a nice finished look. Next, we're going to cut out some circle-like shapes out of our bubble wrap. I like to fold it over and cut a half circle. It's not going to be perfect, and it doesn't need to be because we're painting a natural image. It's not going to be a perfect circle either way. So once you're happy with how your circles look, go ahead and paint on it with two complementary colors that just look nice together. And then press it down onto your canvas or paper. Now this first one, I made a huge mistake. I used way too much paint on, and I'm going to show you how to fix that here in just a second, just in case it happens to you. My next one, I used just enough paint to cover all of my circles in the bubble wrap, and that ended up perfect, and so did my last one. You don't want to use a ton of paint, just enough to cover your circles. And now I'm going to show you how to fix the middle one that I did, just in case it happens to you. Start by removing as much of the paint as you can from that section, and then go ahead and go over it with the black one more time. While that's drying, we're going to move on to painting the trunks of our other trees. Now, you can do thin trunks, you can do thick trunks. It doesn't really matter, but what does matter is you don't want to apply the paint super heavy. Now once your paint's dry, you can go ahead and fix the other one, doing the whole process over, coloring your bubble wrap, and then pushing it down. So once we have all our tree trunks painted, we can go in with the black and just do little slash marks all over our trees just to give them a nice natural look. And to finish it off, I like to use the white and do little splashes of paint all around just to give it a nice starry sky look. I hope you guys enjoyed making this painting with me.